Hello guys, have you heard about NFT Black Market? Do you even know that you can invest on NFT Black Market token? On this video, I'm going to be reviewing what NFT Black Market token looks like and how you can benefit from this project. My name is CryptoBills. On this channel, I discuss investment opportunity on the crypto space. I have always shared with you guys opportunity on the space on crypto projects that are viable or newly launched crypto projects. I have shared with you series of videos on this channel on projects that you can invest little amount of money on at its early stage. I'm believing that as time goes on, as the project progresses, your investment is going to yield profit for you. Remember those days when Bitcoin and all other early cryptocurrency was launched? They had no value, but today they are in their thousands and millions in stock market. Some of these projects which I share with you, many may see it as a waste of time, but I can tell you Bitcoin started like that, and a lot of cryptocurrency started as well like that. So I am not joking on this channel. I am only trying to share with you guys opportunity on the space, and the earlier you grab some of this opportunity, the better for you, because in days to come you are going to make huge profit on some of this decision or investment you have made today. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and remember to turn on your notification bell for quick and prompt notification on investment opportunity on this channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you another details information about a newly launched project, and the name of the project is called NFT Black Market. This project is newly launched. If you check the Coinmarketcab, you're going to see this project as a new project, and this is a new project. And going through the white paper of this project, I seem to like the project and the idea behind this project. The team behind this project have done a lot to put this project together, and I can tell you, just in a matter of days or weeks to come, this project is going to hit the top of the chart. And nevertheless, don't look at the price right now. In fact, this is an avenue or an opportunity for you to invest on this project now, when you can buy millions of this project token at this early stage. So what is NFT Black Market? NFT Black Market, according to the website, they put together, we empower creator by blockchain technology. NFT Black Market help you to represent anything unique as a digital asset. We're giving more power to content creator than ever before. This project is in support of content creator. In case you don't know what an NFT is, NFT stands for non-fungible token. NFT is a digital representation of assets. So this project in support of how you can create and market your NFT, and using their token, they create a marketplace for you where you can also sell your NFT assets. The team behind this project have done a lot to put things together for content creator so that they can easily sell their assets. The Internet of Assets, this is what this project is all about. Create, collect, trade digital assets. NFT are tokens that we can use to represent ownership of unique items. They let you tokenize things like art, collectibles, even real estate. NFT stands for non-fungible token. Non-fungible token is an economic term that you could use to describe things like your furniture, a song file, your computer, those things are not interchangeable for others' items because they have a unique property. In the NFT Black Market, you can NFT your art, GIF, music, video, pattern, and document. So this project gives room for content creator to present their assets, or a place where assets can be sold. These are found to be very, very unique. There have not been a project like this before. The NFT Black Market is a multi-chain NFT platform. The future gave you unlimited possibility and a lot of freedom, scalability. We only support smart chain for now, but soon we will also support other blockchain, including Ethereum, Tron, Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. So guys, this is a very unique project, and I want to believe just in a matter of days or time to come, and this project is going to hit the mainstream, and the early investors are going to make profit on their token. So like I said, this is a new project. On this video, I'm also going to show you how you can acquire 100 million token of this project at this early stage with a little above $1. So guys, if you are watching this video right about now, you will be able to buy this token, buy 100 million token of this project with just around $1 or above, a little above $1. So this is an opportunity to grab something for the future. Remember, your investment is for the future. Days will come that you will not be able to buy even 100,000 of this token with $1. So this is the time to invest. This is the time to grab this opportunity. It is a great project. I would love you to check it out. I'm going to post the link to this project in the description below. Kindly feel free to browse through this project and see what they have in stock. I'm looking at their roadmap. It's so awesome. I'm even short of words on this project. So guys, feel free, check it out yourself. Go through the project from A to Z, and if we are on the same page, you are convinced like I am, feel free to invest on this project now when the price is still very cheap, and let your money work for you in the future. So guys, like I always do, I'm going to show you how to buy 100 million token of this project with less than $2, a little above $1 at this early stage. Guys, you might not be able to buy that again in days to come, but those that have the opportunity of seeing this video now might take advantage of this price and invest early on this project. So guys, without further ado, let's dive into how you can buy 100 million token of NFT Black Market token.
Before you proceed with this video, here is a quick disclaimer. Kindly note that CryptoBills is not a financial advisor, and I am not paid to promote any contents of this video. This video is produced for educational purposes and out of personal views. So before you invest, kindly do your own research.
Okay guys, to buy NFT Black Market token, and there are two basic steps you need to take. Remember, on this channel I am always showing you how to buy newly launched project on Trust Wallet account. And so the first thing you need to do is you need a Trust Wallet account. In case you don't have a Trust Wallet, on this channel I have a video on how to set up your Trust Wallet account. Check out the link above for that video. The second thing you need to do is you need a Binance Smart token and to be able to exchange for your Black Market token. Also on this channel, in case you don't know how to credit your Trust wallet with Binance Smart token, I have a video on this channel on how to deposit or credit your Trust wallet account. Check out the link above for that video. So if you have done all that and you are ready to go, and open your Trust wallet, and on your Trust wallet, the first thing we need to do is to add NFT Black Market token to your Trust wallet. And so how do you do that? Click on the wallet. If you are not on wallet, click on wallet, and right above the wallet, just beside the collectible, click on these two dotted buttons and type in NFT Black Market. In case you do that and the token did not appear, remember this project is still very new. You will be able to add this project to your Trust wallet through add custom token procedures. So if you search and you couldn't find it, just scroll down the page and click on add custom token. And remember, this project is built on Binance Smart contract, so you need to change the network from Ethereum to Smart Chain. So click on the Ethereum and click on Smart Chain. Then copy the contract address, which I'm going to share with you in the description below, and click on paste. Then click done, and you will have been successfully add the NFT Black Market to your Trust wallet. So the next thing you need to do is to go to your PancakeSwap. So click on the app and scroll down to PancakeSwap. So on PancakeSwap, the next thing you need to do is to select NFT Black Market token right just under 2. Remember, you can only buy this project token with your Binance Smart token. So on that from, you have your Binance BNB, and 2, you select NFT Black Market. As you can see, I have my token right here, NFT Black Market. Then you click on it, and then you type in the number of token you intend to buy. So type in the 100 million, then click on swap, then confirm swap, and this will open a confirmation transaction page for you. As you can see, the total amount of money I'm investing on this project is just a little above a penny above $1. So I'm going to click on approve, and this will submit my request and approve the purchase of 100 million token of NFT Black Market for me. And this is the submission. I close this page, and as you can see, this is a transaction receipt. They have just notified me that my transaction is successful, and this is how you buy 100 million token of NFT Black token. So guys, if you have followed with me, I want to congratulate you. You are able to buy 100 million token of this project at this stage. So if you go back to your wallet, you're going to see your token credited on your wallet. I want to believe this video was able to add to your investment opportunity or investment tips on the crypto space. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and remember to turn on your notification bell for quick and prompt notification on investment opportunity or investment tips on this channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.